India, a land of growing infrastructure, booming manufacturing, and rising aspirations. Though per capita consumption of paints and coatings remains low, India is fast becoming one of the world's more important markets for powder-coated products. From iconic architecture to cutting-edge automobiles, from household appliances to industrial machinery, powder coating is everywhere, and it's evolving. But here's the challenge. Most companies rely on Indian machines, but these often come with challenges. Poor quality control coupled with indifferent service and technical support, and in many cases being overpriced. Some companies still depend on expensive machines from Germany, France or the US, but often backed by poor technical service. Worse, manufacturers disappear when support is needed the most. And through all this, no one seems to ask the most important question. What do powder coaters truly want? Line Industries. We are there on the real shop floor, with real powder coaters. We ask. We listen. We then design and build machines that deliver practical solutions that increase productivity without draining wallets. Line Industries, a proudly Indian company with nearly 3 decades of experience. Since 1996, we've designed and built powder coating machines that are reliable and rugged for harsh shop floor conditions, in India and overseas. Internationally, many consider Line powder guns as some of the best in the world. In a world driven by surface perfection, one element defines everything: the finish. Over the years, Line has worked hard to earn the trust and respect from across various industries in India, small and large. And it shows. Line machines have secured their place in factories and coating lines by consistently performing under pressure and delivering true value where it matters most. Because for us, it's not just about selling machines, it's about building relationships. Today, Line is not just a name in India, it represents hard-earned trust and respect. Line stands for integrity in engineering, ethics in business, and a commitment to quality that goes beyond the product. Whether you're an established manufacturer or just starting out with powder coating, Line Industries would love to work with you. Call us now. Partner with success. Choose Line.